Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 just got leaked. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 just got leaked and we even get a leaked invitation of the Samsung's upcoming event. And the colors are also out for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and a better design for the USB Type-C. Samsung is going to unveil Z Fold 4 in August along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. As per leak's invitation, which was leaked by Evan Blass, and then the picture was deleted indicating that the Samsung is going to launch Z Fold 4 on August 10th. Since other Twitter accounts shared the same August 10th picture with Z Flip 4 Bora purple color, and as expected, Samsung will start pre-orders on August 16th. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which color option you guys want in the Z Fold 4, and are you guys excited about the new hinge of the Z Fold 4? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 gets out with the new color. Ben shared an image on his Twitter account showing Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, all 4 colors, and this didn't include the special edition dark red color as per previous leaks. The colors included beige, gray, phantom black, and possibly a green color for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 got rid of the notch for the USB Type-C. As per new colors renders, we see there's no notch for the USB Type-C but a flat surface, and Anthony also compared this with its previous generation. And Samsung has something secret to tell us. As expected, Samsung will unveil the release date of the Z Fold 4, which we already know a long ago, but let's see, Samsung will share some more info on the Z Fold 4 in the future. The leaked display image of the Z Fold 4 was first uploaded by iCinemas, but deleted after a few minutes, and then Anthony shared the same image of the Z Fold 4, where we clearly see a bit wider outer display and way better hinge design compared to the Z Fold 3, and this is something new we can see in the Z Fold 4. But the front display looks more like the previous generation Z Fold 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 display will get a wider at 23:9 instead of 24:5:9, but you will only see the difference if you see both phones side by side. And don't expect a price drop on the Z Fold 4. We can expect a 128 GB of storage model which will possibly start at $1,699, and 1TB version will be limited to certain markets. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which color options you guys wanted the Z Fold 4, and are you guys excited about the Z Fold 4 new hinge? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.